Welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you guys are here. Oh my gosh, it just feels like so long since I've uploaded a video. It's been about a week, but still it's been a very long time for me. I just took like a little break. I went on a little getaway. And so I'm back, I'm better, I'm excited. I'm here to film a video for you guys. Today's video is all about my 2021 Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene plus Damier Azur collection. The second to last video I uploaded was my entire Louis Vuitton monogram collection. You guys enjoyed that video so much, so why not do my Damier Ebene collection so that you guys can see that. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel. Also hit that thumbs up button and also hit the bells button so that you'll never miss an upload for me. Also, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is _simplyfatima_loves_luxury, and there you will hear like updates about giveaways and just see how I style my handbags and just like everyday content. I'm trying to remain consistent and upload often there. But I'm trying my best, and there you can also connect with me one-on-one. I love when you guys DM me. I love when you comment under my pictures. So please make sure you continue to do that and just show your girl some love. Before we get into this video, I just want to talk about a giveaway that I'm doing. I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The faster we get to 1,000 subscribers, the sooner the faster we get to 1,000 subscribers, some lucky individual will get to win the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. And since my giveaway announcement, I decided to add a little spice to the giveaway, and the added spice is up to you guys on how you want me to distribute the second item. So I decided, like, since you guys show continual love and support on my channel, why not add a little something extra to the giveaway? And so what I need you guys to tell me if I should, or one lucky person gets both items, or somebody wins the handbag, or somebody wins the sunglasses. So the fate of somebody winning something is in you guys' hands. So the added spice that I'm adding to this giveaway is that this bag is such a great little travel tote. Why not add a great pair of travel sunglasses? So these sunglasses are by Gucci. These are Gucci sunglasses. It comes with the sunglass white. It comes with an extra case that you can actually put this case inside of here, or put the sunglasses inside of this case if the actual case doesn't fit inside your handbag. And it comes with the authenticity envelope with the authenticity information right back here. So authentic Gucci sunglasses are being added to the giveaway. And better yet, not only will we be matching in handbags, because this is the one that came in the mail for you guys. You see it still has the price tag on it. This is y'all's. Not only will we be matching in handbags, we'll be matching in sunglasses. So you have a pair, I have a pair, and yes, I'm gonna be able to twin and match with one another with handbags and sunglasses, and I'm really excited about that. And to enter into the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and also comment under this video or the giveaway announcement video. I'll link that video in the description box down below. But just comment your favorite place to travel. If you want to be entered in twice into the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment your favorite place to travel, and also follow me on Instagram. And that is how you get entered into the giveaway. I will list all the entry details in the description box down below, so make sure you check there. And okay, so today I will be, like I said in the intro, I'll be talking about my Damier Ebene and my Damier Azur Louis Vuitton collection. My Damier Ebene plus Damier Azur collection is smaller than my monogram collection. There's just not a lot of Damier Ebene pieces that I gravitate towards. If there's any pieces that you think that I should add to my collection, please comment that down below. Right now, I feel like I'm pretty satisfied with my Damier Ebene collection, but like if you feel like there's a bag that I should, you know, take a look at on the website, or you feel like I might like it, just let me know in the comments, and I would definitely be happy and more than willing to like check it out on the website and see what I think about it, and if it's something that I will want to add to my collection. So the first piece I'm going to talk about is my Damier Azur piece. I only have one Damier Azur piece. I only have one because usually I tend to like not really gravitate towards a lighter colored handbag, just because I wear a lot of darker colors and I'm just afraid of the color transfer. But I decided to step out of my comfort zone last year, and I purchased my first Damier Azur piece. And my first Damier Azur piece is in its dust bag. I haven't gotten a chance to wear her yet because I feel like this is going to be just like a summer piece for me, even though it can be worn year round. But for me, I just feel like it's more of a summer bag. But it is the Pochette Accessoire in Damier Azur. It has gold hardware, and it comes with the vachetta tab on the side right here, and you can see where mine is made. And the strap is detachable. My strap is inside of my handbag, and it's the vachetta strap that comes on all Pochette accessoires. The monogram one comes with the exact same strap. This is the inside of the handbag. It's made out of the textile fabric, and it's one main compartment with a back pocket in the back. Just a basic simple handbag. It can be used as a carry-all or a keep-all in like your larger bags, or it can just be a shoulder bag. I do have a longer strap that I did purchase from Organize My Bag. I don't have it with me right now in this like exact location, but I can wear this bag crossbody, or if I wanted to wear it as a shoulder strap bag, I can put on this vachetta strap right here. So as we all are aware, there was a price increase by Louis Vuitton, and this Pochette accessoire was affected. I think it's like now $720, $750. When I purchased this, I think I paid either $620 or $650. I can't quite remember. But yeah, so this was affected by the price increase. I know this is a unicorn item. This item is hard to come by. So if you can get your hands on this, I say get it now. And so yeah, so this is my only Damier Azur piece, and it is the Pochette accessoire. So going into my Damier Ebene pieces, like I said, I don't really have that many Damier Ebene pieces, so this video should go by fairly quickly. But the first piece I wanted to start out with is the favorite in Damier Ebene. This is the size PM, and I absolutely adore the favorite. I honestly don't know why they discontinued the favorite. If you guys know, please comment in the comment section down below, because I really want to know why they discontinued the favorite, because I really love this bag. Like, I think it's completely worth the money. I feel like if you can't get your hands on a Pochette accessoire, this is a great backup, because it's, to me, it's like the same size, same functionality. And you can either wear this as a shoulder bag with the gold chain, or you can have the gold chain dangle in front, and then you can wear it with the detachable leather strap. Attach the strap to the bag like this, and now you have a crossbody bag. The strap is not adjustable. It is detachable, but it's not adjustable, and it is in the chocolate leather. And I think this bag is absolutely gorgeous. You just flip it open and you have the beautiful red interior. You just have one main compartment and then you have a back pocket in the back. There's no rhyme or reason to this bag. This bag holds a lot. If you want a separate video on this bag on why I feel like you should purchase the favorite and why you should purchase it pre-love, like, I will completely do a video on that for you guys. The favorite does come in PM and MM, and like I said, my bag is in the PM size, which is a smaller size. It does come in a Damier Azur, it comes in Damier Ebene, and it comes in monogram. And it comes in all of those canvases in each size, so the PM and MM size. But like I said, this is definitely a bag that I hate that they discontinued. I wish they still sold this handbag. If you can get a monogram one and a Damier Ebene, if you can get both sizes, I say go for it, because this is a great bag and it's so versatile. This is what the back looks like. There's no back pocket, but it does have like gold detailing and like stitching detailing on the back, which I think is really cute. And I love this bag. I got this bag back in 2017, and literally when I purchased this bag, I got the last one in the store. And I did not know this bag was being discontinued whatsoever. So yeah, the favorite PM. Oh my gosh, I just love this bag. Never getting rid of this bag, ever. So the next piece that I have is the bag that inspired me to get the Odeon PM. You guys know that I have the Odeon in a monogram and natural vachetta. And so this is the bag that inspired me to get the Odeon. I love the South Bank Damier Ebene bag. It has this nice tassel detailing. It has this large front pocket. It has this large main compartment with a back pocket. It has two zippers, so it's two zippers, and it can be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag, and the strap is adjustable. You just cannot take the strap off, so the strap is like permanently on there unless you cut the strap off. If you want to cut the strap off and make it a like a detachable strap, you can do so, but just know the bag comes with a strap that's not removable. I love this bag. This bag is literally the Neverfull in crossbody form. Like, I've never been able to fill this bag up. This bag holds so much. To me, it's like the Mary Poppins handbag, and it is literally great. Like, with the pocket in the front, you have like the Damier Ebene canvas on the inside, but up against that you have the red textile lining inside of there. And just like the inside, you have the beautiful red textile fabric on the inside. It is just a gorgeous bag. If you can get your hands on this bag, I say go for it. Don't think about it. No regrets. This is a great weekend shopping bag where you can just dump everything you might need for the weekend when you go shopping at the outlets or wherever you go shopping. And it just literally holds everything. It can hold your kids' snacks. It can hold your essentials plus your closet. Like, this thing is phenomenal. I absolutely love this bag. If you want a more detailed video on this bag and like what fits inside, comment that down below and I can do that for you. And if you want me to compare this bag to the Odeon PM, I can also do that for you as well. Just let me know in the comment sections down below. My next Damier Ebene piece is this Neverfull. I have the Neverfull in Damier Ebene canvas in the size MM. This was my first Neverfull. This Neverfull is what inspired me to get the monogram Neverfull bag. I absolutely love it. I love the chocolate leather that it comes in, and mine is in the beautiful red interior. I have my desk bag in here, so don't pay that any attention. It comes with the pouch. The pouch is lined in the beautiful red interior, and it has a back pocket. Like I said, I never really use my clutches as keep-alls inside my Neverfulls. I usually use them as clutches when I'm going out or having a night out with my friends or going out for dinner. that's just what I use mine for. You don't have to use yours for that, but that's just how I use mine. So it's lined with the beautiful red interior. It has a back pocket and then the main compartment. That's the Neverfull shut, like so. The Neverfull comes in 3 sizes. It comes in PM, MM, which is this size, and GM. I love my Neverfulls for travel, for bags, just a great dump all. Like the name says, I never get my Neverfull full, so it's like Neverfull, but it lives up to its name. It really does, and I really love my bag. The interior colors for Damier Ebene, you can get the rose ballerine, or you can get this nice cherry color. I chose cherry. I'm not a huge pink girl, so cherry it was for me, and I love this bag. Love it. So yeah, if you want like a detailed review on this bag, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's tons of detailed Neverfull videos on YouTube, but if you want to see my thoughts and opinions on the Neverfull in detail, just let me know and I will create that video for you. And my last Damier Ebene piece that you've seen in multiple videos as well is my Speedy 25 bandolier. So this is my Speedy B. This is the new model because the leather that I have is matte leather, is not the shiny coated leather. So yes, so the strap is detachable. The strap is also adjustable, and here's my strap. I just house it inside of my handbag, so you can attach the bag with these clasps, and then you can also adjust the bag to your shoulder liking. So you can wear this as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag, or you can just wear it as a top handle bag. So this is what this strap looks like. It also has leather trimming on the side of the bag as well, and on the inside you just have one main compartment, and then you have a back pocket in the back that zips up. So yes, this is my Speedy B25, and I think this is going to be the handbag that I will be carrying next. I have been rocking my pochette accessoire and monogram. Love that bag. That has just literally been my go-to bag, but I think I'm gonna make this my go-to bag next. It comes with 2 zippers, and the hardware is gold throughout the bag. Speedies are known to be slouchy bags. If you don't like the slouchiness of the bag, then you can get a base shaper, or you can get an organizer to keep the structure of the bag, but I don't mind the slouchiness. I kind of live for the slouchiness, but that's just me. But yeah, so this is my Speedy 25 in Damier Ebene. I am thinking about getting a Speedy in Damier Azur. 25 in Azur Classic, and also with the Classic it would only come with 1 zipper versus 2 zippers. So yeah, if there is a specific bag that you want me to talk about in detail or do a comparison with, just let me know in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you'll never miss an upload. Follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. Also, don't forget about the giveaway. A lucky winner will be able to win the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and the lucky winner will be able to also win a pair of Gucci sunglasses. Or if you guys think that I should give one item to one individual, or give the sunglasses to one individual and the handbag to another, please comment that down below. So the fate of whoever wins both items or one or the other is in you guys' hands. So please comment that down below, how you think I should distribute the gifts. And also remember to enter, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Also like this video, and also if you can share this video, that's great, but that's not a requirement. And also comment down below your favorite place to travel, and if you want to have an extra entry into this giveaway, make sure to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. Also be subscribed to this channel, also like this video, and also comment your favorite place to travel to have a double entry. But yeah, that is all for today's video, and until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.